Hello, my dear students. Good afternoon. Welcome to one more amazing session from Infinity Land. This is Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry for you. Today we are going to discuss about the Organic Chemistry NEET Most Expected Question Series and an Organic Chemistry mock test. How are you all? Yesterday we had a kind of a test and students performed well. Hi, Bajid Mir, how are you? Ullas, what is O-nitrophenol, orthonitrophenol? Any doubt about that? So, welcome to the session, and in this NEET expected questions, we refined the questions in such a way that most of the questions that same model can appear in NEET 2025 examinations. All the best and oath of the day for you, and every day only one oath, crack your NEET examination. For that, you prepare well and attend our classes on a regular basis and take a pen and paper and practice along with. And please like our session, share with your friends and subscribe to NEET Infinity Land channel. How are you? Can you all able to hear me? Please give a thumbs up and fire emoji in the chat box. And in the Google App Store, you can see Infinity Land app, where there you're going to see live classes, mock test, create your own test, 24/7 doubt resolution sessions, and which is completely free and you can access it, and so that you can enjoy your preparation. And also you can see, whenever you are preparing for something, you need to know where exactly you stand and what is your improvement areas and what is your strength. For that, Infinity Learn is designed a special scientifically designed All India Test Series pack. In this, you are going to say 27 AITS examination and 20 online NEET full syllabus mock test and 25 NEET topic wise previous year questions and 3 physics, chemistry, biology books along with video solutions on the app and detailed solutions and performance reports for every test and benchmarking with Sri Chaitanya students for a better rank analysis. And these many, how it is possible, it is for 5,999. When you apply YouTube 50 coupon code, you are going to get automatically 50% off, and you are going to get it for 2,999. So while the link is available in the description box, you can click it and you can enjoy it. So promotion is over. Now let us get into the questions. Everybody take a pen and paper and solve along with me, and you are going to see now awesome questions and sure shot questions. And ready? Okay, this is the first question. Who is going to give the answer in the chat box? Get ready. When methyl cyclopentane is treated with Br2 and HNO, you got an X, which is on treatment with alcohol KOH, gives a major product Y, and this Y in treated with HBr and peroxide, you are going to say major product Z. So I want to see what is the major product at the end. So this is your question. Come on. So Bazir, what could be the answer when this is a cycloalkane? When it is treated with Br2 and HNO, you are going to get free radical substitution reaction. Halogen is substituted, one hydrogen. The reactivity of the hydrogen is tertiary hydrogen is more reactive than secondary hydrogen is more reactive than primary hydrogen. And when it is undergoing dehydrohalogenation in the presence of a base, so elimination reaction takes place. Whenever elimination reaction takes place, you follow Sedgwick rule. And this is treated with HBr in the presence of peroxide. Anti-Markovnikov of addition takes place. So according to anti-Markovnikov of addition, bromine should come here. So the answer for this question is going to be C. So how many got C answer here? Put in the chat box. The answer is going to be C is the correct answer for this question. That's good. Let us see one more question. So is there any glitch in the chat box? So Majinbir, Maunika is not there. Abhishek Raj. Okay, come on. What could be the major product? H plus and Cl minus. ये प्रोडक्ट मार्कोनिकव रूल का हिसाब से देना पड़ता. So the product is going to be, it is an electrophilic addition reaction. So let's see. Fatima, you want to say C? Perfect answer. So H plus electrophile is being added. You are going to get a secondary carbocation. Whenever carbocation is there, it has an ability to rearrange an hydride shift. होने के बाद इसका आना है हाई इंजलीला राज. सो हाइड्राइड शिफ्ट होने के बाद इसका मिलेगा ए टर्शियरी कार्बोकैटायन. ए टर्शियरी कार्बोकैटायन Cl माइनस को लगा देंगे. सो आपका मिलेगा यस इट इज. सो माय आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन फिर भी सी होना चाहिए. इट इज नॉट बी, इट इज सी. योर आंसर इज करेक्ट. अबिद, योर आंसर ये इट इज नॉट ओके. फातिमा, योर आंसर इज करेक्ट. बजीद मीर, एक्सपेक्टिंग आंसर फ्रॉम यू. एंड अबेद हसन, कम ऑन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. एनी डाउट? ये मैकेनिज्म के हिसाब से देना पड़ता है बच्चों. So carbocation in the electrophilic addition reaction, carbocation is the intermediate. Whenever carbocation forms, it has the ability to rearrange from the less stable carbocation से more stable carbocation जाने की कोशिश करता. And the stability of carbocation, benzyl carbocation is more stable than allyl carbocation, and more stable than tertiary is more stable than secondary is more stable than primary. Got it? And what this is already completed. Now, which of the following molecule the resonance effect is not possible? Answer: which of the following molecule the resonance effect is not possible? Expecting what is the best answer for this. So when you write the resonating structures, you have to write in such a way that it has to follow the law of chemical bonding. So every atom should obey octet rule. Okay, you want to check it. It is going to give you if this is the case. Now I want to see this is the structure. Let me expand this. You're going to see R and R and R. Now surprisingly, how come this nitrogen is forming 5 bonds? Nitrogen maximum covalency of nitrogen is 4. It cannot form 5 covalent bonds. So it is forming 5 bonds. How it is possible? It is wrong. So this do not participate in resonance, right? Now rather it can participate in resonance. Yes, it can participate in resonance. Yes. And this can participate in resonance. Yes. And this can participate in resonance. Yes. Got it? But this cannot participate in resonance. Abid? So answer is B. I accept your answer. Next question. Answer is B. That's good. My dear students, whenever such type of sessions are going on, take a pen and paper and solve it. So while you're solving, you are going to know whether you're doing correct or wrong. So you present yourself so that the tendency to do the question increases. Understand? Clear? That's fine. Okay. Let's see one more. Which of the following form an enol to the greatest extent? Which of the following forms an enol to the greatest extent? My dear children, always you remember keto form is more stable than enol form. Why so? If you take about the bond energy, C double bond C is a stronger bond as compared to C double bond C, right? That's fine. So that, but in certain cases, keto form is more stable than enol form. So what is the condition? Whenever intramolecular hydrogen bonding, and whenever aromaticity comes into the picture. In these two cases, enol form is going to be more stable as compared to the keto form. Mind it? So, whenever active methylene groups are there, it's going to be more acidic in nature. So, it undergo enolization more easily and the product is going to be more stable. Look at this, इसका enol form कैसा देख सकते हैं? Look at this, CH3, C double bond O and CH2 and C double bond O and CH3. Now this is what is called as enolizable hydrogen. This is also, it's more because this is active hydrogen, active methylene group. So this is enolized in that way. So I am going to get, I will write it here, keto enol form, CH3 and double bond O and CH double bond C and O and H and CH3. ये दोनों का बीच में आपका हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग, इंट्रामोलिकुलर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग आना है. Because of that intramolecular hydrogen bonding, this was a keto and become enol, and the enol form is stabilized. So what is enol? Abid Hassan, there is a keto functional group. Look at this. There is a ketone functional group. This is called a keto form. And there is a double bond in and alcohol all. So this is called enol. So the interconversion from these two here is a rapid, and this phenomena is known as tautomerization, and the phenomena is known as tautomerism, and this is called keto enol tautomerism. Abid Hassan, understand? Clear? For that keto enol tautomerism, let me go and explain something for you as you asked. So always students' doubts are going to be honored in Infinity Learn classes. Mind it. So it's a type of tautomerism. Look at here, tautomerism. It's a type of special type of functional group isomerism which exists in interchange of atoms so that it is in the dynamic equilibrium. Look at this. Carbon, double bond O attached to the carbon, and this is called alpha carbon, and this is called alpha hydrogen. So this alpha hydrogen is shifted from here to here. Okay. So as a result of this, you are going to see another functional group, and this hydrogen is shifted and a double bond is coming. So this appears in the keto in the functional group, and this is a double bond that is called en and all. So interconversion of the keto to enol form, enol to keto form is in the dynamic equilibrium. This is what is called as, hi Suresh, Imam, salam alaikum. So this phenomena is known as a tautomerism. Now what I mean to say, conditions for tautomerism. Condition number 1, there should be at least one pi bond between carbon and heteroatom, like C double bond वो हो सकते, C double bond N भी हो सकते, understand? And दूसरे के there should be at least one alpha hydrogen. So if the molecule has these two conditions, then only it is going to show its tautomerism. Understand? Clear? Abhidasan, it is for you. Everybody take a note of it. And rate of enolization, NEET examination में आपके जैसे क्वेश्चंस आने का संभावना है. So rate of enolization is directly proportional to stability of alkene. जिस alkene के ज़्यादा stable है वो alkene ज़्यादा फॉर्म करने का कोशिश करते हैं सुरेश कुमार. So how do you decide the stability of alkene? I can decide the stability of alkene by virtue of resonance, by virtue of hyperconjugation, and by virtue of aromaticity, right? Now a question. इसका इनोलिक फॉर्म लिखो. सुरेश, Abid, Fatima, Monica is there in the class today. आज आए नहीं क्या? Okay, so इसका इनोलिक फॉर्म क्या? Simple. This is C double bond one, this is called CH. So this is called alpha hydrogen. इस तरफ भी ले सकते. When you take this ना, hydrogen is shifted from here to here and the pi bond is shifted. That's it. ताकि इसको मिलेगा. It is going to be so this was a keto form and this is a enol form. ठीक है, keto enol tautomerism. Clear? Atman? Okay, something you said I don't understand. Okay, anyways, we'll go back to the previous discussion. Answer? The end product in the following sequence of reaction. This is acetylene, CH triple bond CH. When it is treated with Hg2 plus and H plus in the aqueous media, you are going to get CH2 double bond COH. So you got your enol form. Hi Monica. Krishna, you came late. Now it undergo tautomerization. When it undergo tautomerization, you got CH3C double bond OH. Acetaldehyde, ethanol is formed. This ethanol is nothing but your A. So the equilibrium mostly it exists in the right side, not in the back side. That's the reason why it is going to be the major product, I would say rather. Maunika? Now, when it is treated with methyl magnesium halide, CH3 and MgCl or halide, जो भी halide मान लो, so it is going to be perfect nucleophile. In further, you're going to give CH3 hydrolysis. Okay, you got OH and CH3. Mind it, it is mentioned that it is further oxidized. ये further oxidize करने के बाद मिलेगा CH3C double bond CH3. It is going to be acetone. It is going to be acetone. So my answer for this question is going to be acetone. So it is not D beta, it is C. Now, I think this question previously we had a discussion, and get ready for the next question, dear children. Now, which of the following compound will give yellow precipitate with the iodine and alkali? So, let us go ahead with this. 2-hydroxypropane CH3, 2-hydroxypropane, acetophenone, methyl acetate, and acetamide. Now, condition for secondary alcohol, methyl secondary alcohol it will give, and acetophenone methyl ketones will give. Okay, condition. So, yes, of course, I do remember. So, I would like to say A and B are the options. This is also explained. This is also explained. Now, don't blame the distractions, improve your focus. It is unified and it is a simple suggestion for all students. You are having various types of distractions. Don't blame the distractions. Simply focus. Stay focused. Coming to a new question, what kind of isomerism is possible for 1-chloro-2-nitroethane? Answer, 1-chloro-2-nitroethane. Expecting an answer, bachcho. Maunika, Krishna, Atman, Suresh, Imam, Abid, Fatima, Bazid Bear. फटाफट देना आंसर, जल्दी बताओ. Zunaid, hi. So 1-chloro-2-nitroethene. This is your ethene. 1-chloro-2-nitro. So it is going to show you geometrical isomers. In this geometrical isomerism, it can show cis or trans, or it can show E and Z. So here it is showing E and Z. Option C is the correct answer for this question. Right, Maunika? Perfect. It is going to be C. One more question for you. The maximum number of possible optical isomers of 1-bromo-2-methyl cyclobutane. Take a pen and paper, draw the structures, identify the chiral centers, because it is asking about optical isomers. Monica, what is the actual structure of 1-bromo-2-methyl cyclobutane? So this is your cyclobutane. 1-bromo-2-methyl. So it is going to be chiral centers. It is going to be chiral center, right? So it is going to form 2 to the power n number of stereoisomers, 2 to the power n. It is going to be 2 to the square is going to be 4. My answer for this question is going to be 4 is the answer. 4 is the answer. Right. Anshit, you came late. Yesterday you were doing great, and let's hope you are going to continue the same. Hena, Krishna, you don't have to retract the message, let it be. Right, Maunika, got it? How to write 4 structures with that, right? Very good. Now, yeah, your answer is correct. For what? Sorry, no sorries. Doing good. Next question for you. In increased order of stability among 3 main conformers, eclipsed, anti, and gauche of 2-fluoroethanol. It's a very good question. It's a very good question. You can expect this same type of questions in the NEET examination as well. Campus gamer, you want to say B? Okay. Krishna, so eclipsed. You can see the structure of eclipsed one. Two fluoroethanol, fluorine and OH. You want to say it is a gauche. It is an eclipsed. Now let's talk about the gauche configuration. Let us talk about the anti-configuration con. Generally, anti is more stable than gauche is more stable than eclipsed. But in this case, fluorine, it is going to form intramolecular hydrogen bonding. It's a specific condition. So let us write this fluorine over here, and it forms a 5-membered ring. So OH, sorry. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding, Monica, and you said campus gamma is more important here. Gaussian is more than anti. Gaussian is more than anti is more than eclipsed. So my answer is going to be C, increasing order. Answer supposed to be C. You have given the correct answer, but option गलत दिया. Increasing order का देखना पड़ता है. In depth express. Okay, फायदा उठाने का कोशिश कर. You understand how to understand this question, right? Take a pen and paper, make a quick writing for that. So it is going to be a quick revision. You have given such a nice interpretation and your answer is correct. You know the answer. But you pick the wrong option, which is actually so very dangerous. Yeah. Moving ahead, the next question, yeah, it is given here, no problem. Identify the product Z in the following reaction. Identify the product Z in the following reaction. Yes. This is your aniline. This is your aniline. When it is treated with AC2O, AC2O means acetic anhydride. It gives you N-acetylated aniline. N-acetylated, this is your X. This reaction makes you to protect this amino group. Why? Because the amino group that is there with the benzene in the aniline is going to be super activator of the ring. So, which gives you polybromination. To avoid that, Omgiri, this group is protected so that a cross conjugation ka wajah se, this is given like this, cross conjugation ka wajah se, C double bond O CH3, okay. So it is going to be less activated, it was super activated. Now it is treated with the Br2, okay. You are going to see para-bromo and ortho-bromo are formed. When it comes to ortho-bromo and para-bromo is going to be the major product, Monica. And further, this is your X, Y. Y on hydrolysis gives rise Z. So that what is Z here? Para-bromo-aniline. Para-bromo-aniline is formed. So my answer for this is going to be para-bromo-istophenol. No. Para-bromo-aniline. And ortho-bromo-aniline is also formed, but here ortho-bromo is going to be less probable as compared to the para-bromo. So the answer for this question is A. You all given the correct answer. Appreciated. Omgiri, Anshit Yadav, Maunika. So what's your name, beta? Campus Gamer. The name is weird and I am comfortable to call you with your name only. And next question. Which of the following is the strongest base? Strongest base. Hi Vipin. Good. So instead, campus gamer, I would say you are Vipin. You want to say D. So, aliphatic amines let us talk about these basic strength. Aliphatic amine is more basic than ammonia. Ammonia is more basic than aromatic amines. Aromatic amines. Aromatic amines are less basic. This is aromatic because this is conjugation with benzene. This is also conjugation with benzene, aromatic amine. Aromatic amine. Here this is aliphatic amine because benzene ring is not directly attached. So, this is aliphatic amine. My answer is going to be Muhammad Adnan. No spamming in this class. Okay. Anshit, you got it D. Omgiri D. Vipin, you have the answer D. Maunika, any doubt with D? Okay, very good. Next. Now, fluorobenzene can be synthesized in the laboratory by? Tell me the answer. Focus in the class and tell me the answer. Bromobenzene with NAF? D is correct. You want to say bromobenzene with NAF? Okay, let us talk about you. Bromobenzene. When you treat with NAF, do you get it? Do you feel this reaction is correct? Haloarenes, the reason is, this is also a very good question. Haloarenes do not undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction. So, this cannot be the answer. राइट सो आंसर डी नहीं होगा. अंशित, देखता हूं आपका आंसर भी कैसे हो सकता हूं. सो शुरुआत से मैं देना चाहता हूं, जो बेंजीन है ना, बेंजीन टू फ्लोरोबेंजीन कैसा बना था? इट इज सब्जेक्टेड फॉर HNO3 एंड H2SO4. सो बेंजीन से नाइट्रोबेंजीन करने का कोशिश करो पहले. राइट जब नाइट्रोबेंजीन बनता है ना, इसका रिडक्शन का वजह से SnHCl. ओके, नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू गेट aniline. नाइट्रो ग्रुप इज reduced to amino group, है ना. नाउ दिस aniline दिखाई दे रहा है क्या बेटा? यस. Subject for diazotization NaNO2 and HCl 0 to 5 degrees centigrade. So you're going to get benzene diazonium chloride. This is what is a BDC. So from aniline diazotization, so now it is followed by HBF4. So diazo group N2BF4 is going to be formed. Now on heating this, what happen? You are going to get a fluorobenzene Balch-Schumann reaction and PF3 and nitrogen gas is eliminated. So my answer for this total explanation is going to be option B is the correct answer. Anshit is given B, Omgiri given B, and Suresh given B. Sakshi Dharania, good afternoon. You came late today. Sakshi, how are you? So any doubt as far as this reaction is concerned, come back. Get ready for the next question, dear children. Now, okay, this is okay. Yeah. The previous question we already did it. The product formed in aldol condensation is CH3 C double bond O H, okay, in the presence of an alkali. So what will happen? It is going to get CH3 COH and H and CH2 and CHO. So I would say alpha carbon and a beta carbon. So beta hydroxyaldehyde. Beta hydroxyaldehyde or beta hydroxyketone is the product. Exactly. Thank you, Adnan. Thank you, Adnan Muhammad. Okay, the answer is going to be A. So, aldehydes and ketones containing alpha hydrogen atom in the presence of dilute alkali undergoes self-condensation reaction to form beta hydroxyaldehyde or beta hydroxyketone. This reaction is known as aldol condensation. Hi Pandey, good afternoon. Now the correct order of reactivity towards electrophilic substitution of the compound. So here NEET examination preparation is going on, Muhammad Adnan, and this session is not meant for the SSC and other kind of examination. Okay, just I know that things are going other way. So it is aniline, this is your aniline, and benzene, and nitrobenzene. In these three cases, you can see Reactivity of this, due to positive mesomeric effect, ring is super activated. So, one is more reactive than, because of this negative mesomeric effect, it is going to be super deactivated. So, 3 is going to be less and it is 1, no effect at all. And positive mesomeric effect increases the electron releasing nature and it activates the benzene. So, whenever ring is activated, the benzene ring undergo electrophilic substitution reaction more fastly. Okay. Please let us focus on the class, my dear children, and the answer for this question is going to be C. 2 is more reactive. 1 is more reactive than 2 is more reactive than 3. Answer D. Yeah, yes, of course. How come you give C? No. Answer is changed. Now, the number of possible dichloro, nitro, benzene isomer is okay. Dichloronitrobenzene. This is nitrobenzene. Let us make dichloro. Dichloro. Right? और कितना? और कितना? I got 6. How many you got? Fatima? Monica, you got 6? Yes, even I got 6. That's perfect. I got 6. Akmal, hi. You came late. Why, sir? Try to be on time, dear children. You try to attend the class without fail. And if you not able to attend the class, at least watch the recording, and if still have any doubts, write in the comment box. Akmal, fine. Let's go ahead with the answer. Here it is C, confirmed, and various structures that are given, you can check it. Moving ahead, next question. Sulfonation differs from the most of the electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions with the fact that the reaction is. Answer. There are 5 golden reactions of benzene. This is your benzene. You know, halogenation. You got chlorobenzene. Yes, perfect. HNO3, H2SO4, you got nitrobenzene. Got it? Roshan, when you go with RCl, AlCl3, you got alkyl benzene. When you have RC double bond OCl, AlCl3, you are going to see this Friedel-Crafts acylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation. Now, when you talk about SO3 and H2SO4, this is called benzene sulfonic acid, and this is what is called as sulfonation. My dear children, here this is called chlorination of benzene, and Cl plus is an electrophile. Nitration of benzene, NO2 plus is an electrophile, R plus is an electrophile. This is called Friedel-Crafts alkylation, and this is called acyl chloride. So it is going to acylated benzene is formed. This is called Friedel-Crafts acylation. And when it is talking about sulfonation, you use SO3 as an electrophile, and you are going to see the benzene sulfonic acid, and this reaction is reversible, and these reactions are irreversible. So I want to say it is reversible is the only scenario makes the difference between the other reactions of benzene. You have only 5 major reactions of benzene. Hope you understand. Clear? Next question, my dear children, next question. Excuse me. Yes, answer is A. Now give me the answer. Give me the answer. You want to say A, B, C or D? Okay, Monica and Roshan, what is your answer here? This is hyperconjugation की वजह से ring activating plus inductive effect plus hyperconjugation effect. So it is going to get ortho product and para product. When it comes to ortho and para product is generously measured. Why? Because of the less sterically hindered for the incoming electrophile to get attacked. Right? Next, answer is C. Correct. Most reactive towards nitration reaction, substitution electrophilic aromatic. You tell me what is going to be the most. Monica, expecting an answer. Akmal and Fatima, Suresh Kumar. So, most reactive means it should have more positive mesomeric effect. It has its positive mesomeric effect. So let's see, it is having a most positive mesomeric effect, and it is going to have CH3. So it has only positive inductive effect and positive hyperconjugation, right? Now here it is also having positive mesomeric effect, and also you are going to see cross conjugation. So whenever cross conjugation comes into the picture, the reactivity will be little bit less. Of course, here it is having a methyl groups, so sterically hindered. Okay, so going to say, always remember, basic strength is directly proportional to availability of lone pair of electron on the nitrogen. That is the criteria. Another criteria also you can take, basic strength is directly proportional to positive mesomeric effect and is directly proportional to positive inductive effect. But the thing is, here if you want to go with this, it's a good question. I may say D, but it is not D. Why so? If it is a protonated, so the equilibrium always try to on the left side, because of this is sterically hindered. This is sterically hindered, right? It is unstable. So as of now, here it is more available, and I would say this is going to be the A is the correct answer for this question. Dear children, hope you understand this question. It's very, very important. I would say basic strength is directly proportional to stability of conjugate acid. It is going to be conjugate acid. Clear? And let us give one more question. Awesome question. This is an awesome question. Everybody will understand. And what is the major product in this nitration? Make it fast, fatafat, jaldi. Monica, Fatima and Akmal and Rohan, Suresh Kumar, try and give the answer. It is a direct influence on substituted benzene. So infinity line test series link is there in the chat box. Everybody click it and you just apply coupon code YouTube 50 off. Then you really enjoy NEET seamless preparation. Now you can see here, my dear children, the lone pair of electron present over here will be having a positive mesomeric effect, very strong positive mesomeric effect. And whenever halogens are there, consider inductive effect. So what I want to say, whenever it is activating and deactivating, you have to listen to the activator. So as a result of this, on nitration, you treat with HNO3 and H2SO4, you will be getting the substitution product with respect to this. So the product for this with respect to OCH3 should be formed. So answer B is the correct answer for this question. Hey, now, hope you like it, right? Very good. Yes, of course, सुरेश कुमार, लेकिन आप हर दिन आना पड़ता है, अगले शुक्रवार से एक नया सीरीज भी लॉन्च कर रहे हैं हम. Okay, so you will get an update on the YouTube channel itself. Everybody, stay tuned with Infinity Land YouTube channel. So you are going to get an awesome surprise from this weekend onwards till your NEET examination preparation. Get ready and never and ever lose this session. So you're going to get an awesome questions and awesome methodologies, right? So in the series of 1000 most expected questions, so NEET organic chemistry mock test bhi diya. So tomorrow I want to come up with some other concept and it is also kind of mock test. Okay, thank you very much. So stay tuned, please like our session and share with your friends and subscribe to Infinity Land YouTube channel and stay with us, and definitely I can say that you can crack your NEET examination. Thank you, Maunika, Suresh, bye bye. Say signing off, Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry from Infinity Land. God bless you all. Bye bye.